Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best slide boards that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have ProSource Fit Slideboard and Slideboard. ProSource Fit Slideboard offers you full body sculpting wherever you go. This board will enable you to train indoors and outdoors. It comes with a superior non-slip base that provides much-needed traction on any surface. With this mat, you will get a high-intensity low-impact workout that enables you to train the body to train with lateral movements. This will provide a great cardio workout as well as improving leg strength. For added safety, this model also comes with a textured non-slip PVC base that prevents accidents as you power through lateral movements. As such, you'll have peace of mind when you are working out on various surfaces including hard flooring, carpeted areas, or on the grass. Another notable feature that comes with this unit is the end stops that help you gain speed. The best part with these boards is that they are ideal for everyone including those recovering from an injury. Moving on at number 4, we have Hockey Revolution Sliding Training Tiles. Even if this model comes at a higher price point, this adjustable length sliding training board boasts of professional design. It is crafted from high-end material, making it not only durable but also versatile to use. It is made of small square pieces that measures 13 by 13 inches that can be arranged in many ways during your workouts. Another outstanding feature with this unit is that it comes in B3 different sizes that are 12 tiles which are the 6-foot longboard, 18 tiles which are 9.75-foot longboard, and 20 tiles which are almost 11-foot longboard. The 12 and 20 tile set boards come in bright orange color while that of 18 tiles comes in silver gray color. This board includes customizable stoppers that can be arranged in any manner you will prefer when working out. Additionally, this model comes with a free carry storage bag. At number 3, we have Balance One Slideboard. Are you longing for flat abs, firm butt, and toned arms but don't have a lot of space in your house for gym equipment? Balance One Slideboard is a simple and functional exercise tool that will save you the expensive gym membership fees and enable you to tone your body in no time. For starters, we love the flexible, foldable design that enables you to carry it to any of your preferred exercising spots. This agility training board also has a decent 20-inch wide by 80-inch long training space, giving you the much-needed flexibility. You are also provided with high-quality Lycra booties that allow for a smooth glide wherever you go. Some of the other notable features include a non-slip base, a high-quality carry bag as well as safety stoppers on each end. At number 2, we have SPRY Slideboard with end stops. Your fitness level doesn't matter. SPRY Slideboard is a great exercise tool for anyone looking for a low-impact exercise that doesn't take a toll on his or her joints. Better still, this equipment will also offer a high-intensity exercise that tones your lower and upper body, glutes, and abs. This PVC slideboard features safety bumpers on either end to provide extra safety when sliding. Notably, this slideboard has a decent 71 inches L by 20 inches W, providing you with ample space to exercise. Surprisingly, the board has a foldable, lightweight design that enables you to bring it wherever you want to go. Thanks to the versatile design, this model will enable you to perform various exercises including regular push-ups without taking a toll on your joints. Additionally, this model comes with a non-slip base that boosts your stability when training on various floor types. And finally at number 1, American Lifetime Slideboard. Slide into your dream body shape with the American Lifetime Slideboard. This ingenious slideboard enables you to combine various workouts including resistance training, cardio, balance, speed, and agility, flexibility as well as core exercises that tones major muscle groups. This will help improve both your balance and stability. This model boasts of a silky smooth surface, which ensures minimal impact on your knee and joints. The best part of this model is that it is also crafted from flexible materials. This makes it super easy to carry it wherever you go. Another great feature of this model is the variable sizes. It comes in 2 versions, which measure 6 feet long and 7.5 feet long. This makes it ideal for both beginners and advanced users. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.